Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos. Today I'm back with yet another video about skincare, and this time it deals with another common problem which many women have to face, and that is the problem of acne scars and blemishes and freckles. I have had freckles throughout my life, and frankly speaking, they were not as bad, so I didn't try as many products to get rid of them. But recently I got to know about the Neutrogena Retinol Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer. So this one has retinol as well as vitamin C, and it says that it reduces the appearance of dark spots, improves discoloration, it improves the skin tone, it improves the clarity, and it also smooths fine lines and texture. And you're supposed to use it at night. So I thought, if a moisturizer claims to be doing so many things, remove fine lines and wrinkles, remove the acne scars, remove the blemishes, remove the dark spots, improve the skin's tone and clarity, then why not give it a try? So I got this from Walmart, and this is here how it looks. So you get 29 ml in this container. It's very easy to apply. You just have to press it and then take 1 or 2 drops and apply it on your face after cleansing it in the night. So I have been using it for about a month, and like all Neutrogena products, this is a great product. Yeah, it did make my skin look much clearer, and I felt that the freckles had lightened to an extent. Although, like I said, I did not get this specifically for the freckles, but more for fine lines and wrinkles and for that smooth texture of the skin. So on all these areas it worked well for me. So if you have been thinking of getting this moisturizer by Neutrogena, I think you should give it a try and you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye bye.